respeite o guerreiro vem flow naquele jeito, flow, flow. Faço quebrar mais caso tem sangue, ó, bang, bang, dog, quero chamo pra enganche.
If I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. If I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song.
So Mikey wakes up, his taste buds want mom's pancakes. He's late for work, it's 8. But wait, yesterday was birthday. You know how that goes. He drank a little too much, had fun, blew a few blunts. So we decided to call in late for work, he'll be in at lunch. His boss said it's fine, wasn't mad at all. Mike was a great person, in fact, he had it all. Charm, charisma, a man always standing tall. Even took a taxi home from all the alcohol. He was responsible, he made the impossible look possible. He had the same job for 20 years at the same hospital. Today's the first day of spring, he's looking out the porch window, he can hear the birds sing. He's got a smile on his face, takes a deep breath, and that's when the motherfucking phone rings. His mom's in the hospital, in critical condition. He drops the phone and throws some clothes on. I can't express how he's feeling. He dashes to his car screaming, God please help. Jumps in the ride, rides up, forgets to fasten his seatbelt. He's flipping out screaming, I gotta be dreaming. She's too young to be leaving. Press on the gas, go ahead speed demon. Too much traffic so he's swerving in the lanes. Past the red light, time slows down. That's when another car hits his side and Mike goes down.
Bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song.
Crystal wakes up from a long night, she's feeling alright. Looks around, only thing that she's missing is a love life. As much as she puts up a front, she's dying inside. All smiles and cracks jokes, but she's crying inside. So back to the story at hand. She's 23 looking for a glorious man. Did I mention she has a little boy, but I think she's lost cause the guy that she talks to don't want nothing to do with her cause of a child, so she falls into depression. Awesome, not cool, and now her attitude is nuts too. Like who are you, dude? I don't trust you, get out of my face, fuck you. A lot of anger pent up, she used to have inner beauty, now she's in a booty, and barely shows an inner cutie. She drinks herself to sleep after work, who would've thought that laughter hurts? To her it kills after every slurp. Tonight she thinks, why the hell is she on this worth dessert? So she decides to do something stupid. She sneaks in the parents' room and takes the gun so she can use it. Like teach her ex a lesson for being so abusive.